Hello there. In this video I just want to quickly show how to make a NOT gate using a single bipolar junction transistor. I'm using a BC547 or a 2N2222. I'm using a 600 ohm resistor and another 600 ohm resistor and another one here just for showing my outputs. Simple toggle switch here and a 9-volt battery. So my high line is this, my low line is this one. And the way the breadboard is wired is that the columns, so the vertical lines, so to speak, they're all wired together. So in order to do this, what we do is we put, there's our high line, so our input onto our base is going to come in through an LED where this is the longer leg, the anode here. Then it goes into the shorter leg, the cathode, into a 600 ohm resistor, and there it goes up and into the base. Always have a resistor in series with your base to limit the current and protect your bipolar junction transistor. The reason I'm using the LED is to show what input I'm getting at that point. Then, so we have the anode on our bipolar junction transistor also protected with a 600 ohm resistor. And that same point, so you have the anode, the resistor, and you'll see this yellow wire is coming from that same point also, and it's going through another resistor down to ground through an LED. The LED is used just to show us what the output is. And finally, the cathode, or the negative terminal on our bipolar junction transistor, you can see here is wired through the green wire, once again down to ground via a red LED to show what the state is. So I will toggle this and see what happens. So at the moment, the input, which is the base, is low. The output, which is our green LED, you'll see is high. So when I put the base high, you'll see that the green LED switches off. Now it's actually being washed out here. So what I'm going to do is just remove this LED very quickly. That's not necessary. Now, okay, so when we have the base high, the output is low. When the input is low, the output is high. That's all you gotta do.